tip is going to be the single leg crossover and kick to the side. I love this exercise so much, and we're going to do a couple of variations of it. So we're going to kick to the front, kick to the side, cross, kick, cross, kick, cross, kick. So what I'm doing is I'm actually hopping on the other leg as well. So my left leg is also lifting up off the bottom of the pool, so while I kick my right leg, and my fingers stay open and they push against the water almost like a figure of 8. So it's here and there, here and there. Now I want you to look at the turbulence. That's what you should see if your participants are doing it correctly. If you're barely seeing a ripple, it's because their hands are not open and they've got this sort of like, I don't know, I call it the semi-claw. Or another actress just said to me the other day, like T-Rex arms. I'm like, oh yeah, this reminds me of T-Rex. So, then to spread their fingers wide to create that turbulence. And you should see it as an instructor. So over and out, over and out. And of course, then you would do the same thing on the opposite leg. So the variation is when you want to alternate legs. So we're going to cross with the right leg, kick to the side, cross with the left leg, kick to the side. So we're going to alternate sides, and this is what it looks like. Now you'll notice that my arms have changed. So I can't do this and that, and then swap to the other leg where the arms are going to stay there and go here. It's very awkward. And what happens is if you don't teach the arms like the way I'm going to show you, is their arms sort of stay still. They do this. And you're missing out on a valuable opportunity to push water. So what I do is I push arms forward when the leg crosses over and then arms out to the side. So the arm action is actually changed. It's here, there, here, there, here, there, here, there. Also, I emphasize trying to lift the knee up high so that they're hopping up vertically. So bring the knee up, out, bring the knee up, out, bring the knee up, out. And the other final thing that I encourage them to do is to go up and down, up and down. So they go up here, down there, up here, down there, up here, down. So they're lifting their leg up nice and high. So you can teach it on the right leg, then teach it on the left leg, and then do the alternate, but being mindful to indicate that there's been an arm change, an arm line change. Great cardio exercise. Love the fact that we do something single, then we alternate, and that's this week's Aqua tip. Demonstrating the cross kick on land isn't challenging until we alternate legs. So we're going to take the leg across the body and push the arms out from the side. Across, push out, across, push out. It's a good idea to actually use this in front of a mirror. If you've never really taught this before, it's a good idea to try it because you've got to be aware of how far you're leaning to the side to get your leg up. If you do demonstrations like this, it doesn't look energetic or not the sort of energy that you want them doing. So the very first thing I'll do is show the leg and the arm action. I'll demonstrate with a little bit of a hop, which helps with the balance. And then if I've got a frame or you could use a chair, I'll demonstrate how I want to hop more with the standing leg as I was doing in the water. Fingers need to be open. Remember, there's that big swirling action from side to side. You might want to demonstrate that separately after you've demonstrated the arm and the leg action together, so they understand that they've got to get lots of white water, that turbulence I was demonstrating in the pool. The other thing is when we get to the alternating cross kick, it's really useful to have a piece of equipment like an Aqua frame, but you can get away with it. So it's push forwards, push out, push forwards, push out, push forwards, push out. And for some Aqua instructors, that might be a little bit too energetic. to do. So, use the Aqua frame. I like using it in this position for this demonstration. Over, kick out. Over, kick out. Remember that as an instructor, when you're teaching from deck, you're going to have to indicate what it is that you want them to do with their arms. Then I'll demonstrate that separately. So push forwards on the cross, take it out to the side. And then finally, it's all about the height of that knee. So you want them to think about going up high, down low, or try to lift your knee to the surface of the water. So these exercises, especially the alternating cross kick, requires a bit of teaching. So you're going to have to communicate that to class, both visually and verbally. But in my opinion, the best way to do it is together. The visual backed up by the verbal. And in that order, rather than verbal backed up by visual, because they're mainly watching you. They're not always listening to you, and sometimes from an acoustic point of view, they can't even hear you. So make sure that you back up your visual demonstration with the verbal and not the other way around. And that's this week's Aqua tip.